Welcome to the Repugen Podcast, where we transform patient care.
Welcome back to the Repugen Podcast. I'm John, and I'm here with Jennifer. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial topic for healthcare providers: how an effective patient service recovery process can turn a negative experience into an opportunity for loyalty and growth.
Absolutely. Patient service recovery isn't just about fixing problems, it's about building trust and turning dissatisfaction into long-term relationships. A well-structured recovery strategy can protect your reputation, increase patient retention, and, most importantly, boost your practice's revenue.
And let's not forget, in healthcare, trust and satisfaction are the cornerstones of loyalty. According to research by New Voice Media, U.S. businesses lose about $75 billion annually due to poor customer experiences. In healthcare, the stakes are even higher, so getting it right is critical.
So, what exactly is patient service recovery? At its core, it's about identifying and addressing patient dissatisfaction quickly and effectively. Whether it's dealing with delayed appointments, billing errors, or misunderstandings about medical advice, service recovery helps restore trust and satisfaction.
Right. And by acknowledging the issue and taking swift corrective action, healthcare providers can turn a potentially negative situation into a positive engagement. This not only satisfies the patient, but also strengthens their relationship with the practice, increasing retention and fostering loyalty.
Let's dig into why this matters so much in healthcare. Service recovery is more than just about fixing mistakes. It's about fostering long-term relationships with patients. When done right, it leads to improved loyalty, revenue growth, and a stronger reputation.
Absolutely. Research shows that 70% of patients will stay with a healthcare provider if their issue is addressed promptly. If that resolution happens immediately, the number skyrockets to 95%. A quick, effective response not only retains patients, but can even boost their lifetime value.
And there's another benefit. When a complaint is resolved, patients are often more loyal than they were before the issue occurred. This is known as the service recovery paradox, and it shows how well-managed service recovery can actually strengthen the provider-patient relationship.
Let's explore the key benefits of implementing an effective service recovery process in healthcare. First, there's revenue growth. Studies show that retaining an existing patient is far more cost-effective than acquiring a new one. In fact, returning patients can contribute up to 40 to 50% of total revenue.
That's huge. Addressing complaints swiftly ensures you don't lose that valuable revenue. Research also shows that dissatisfied patients can cost healthcare providers up to $100 million annually in lost revenue. But with proactive service recovery, you can protect and grow those crucial revenue streams.
Then there's, of course, reputation. Negative patient experiences can spread quickly, especially with the power of social media and online reviews. A quick response can help turn a bad review into a positive experience, improving your ratings and strengthening your credibility.
Now let's look at the key elements that make a service recovery strategy truly effective. First and foremost, listening actively. You need to hear your patients, empathize with their concerns, and acknowledge their feelings. When patients feel heard, trust is restored.
Exactly. Active listening is the foundation of any recovery strategy. It allows providers to understand exactly what went wrong and take the right steps to make it right. But it's not just about listening. It's about taking decisive action to resolve the issue swiftly.
Next up, empowering frontline teams. Frontline staff should have the authority to resolve complaints quickly without waiting for approval from upper management. This not only speeds up the process, but also empowers staff to deliver more personalized, empathetic solutions to patients.
Now, let's talk about time. It's one of the most critical elements in service recovery. Studies show that 45% of patients are willing to forgive a service failure if they get a sincere apology and quick resolution. Time is truly of the essence.
Absolutely. The sooner you respond, the better the chance of retaining that patient. Delays, even if short, increase frustration and make it harder to regain trust. Quick responses, whether in person, via phone, or through email, show commitment to excellent care.
And don't forget,
Personalized solutions are key. No two patients are the same, so every solution should be tailored to the individual's needs. This shows you care about their specific situation and are willing to go the extra mile to resolve it.
Empowering and training your staff is another vital component. Staff should have the right skills and knowledge to handle complaints effectively. They need to be confident, empathetic, and equipped with problem-solving skills to manage patient issues smoothly.
Regular training helps ensure that all team members know how to respond appropriately, especially in stressful situations. It also fosters a service-oriented culture where everyone understands the importance of delivering excellent service, even when things go wrong.
And it's not just about solving the immediate issue, it's about preventing future problems by addressing root causes. Digital records of complaints can help you identify patterns and take steps to ensure the same issues don't arise again.
Technology plays a huge role in streamlining service recovery. Patient feedback systems like Repugen automate the collection and analysis of patient feedback, making it easier to identify issues and resolve them before they escalate.
Right, and using CRM platforms allows healthcare providers to track patient data and complaints in one centralized system. This ensures continuity and consistency in your recovery efforts, and it helps build long-term relationships with patients.
Then there's, of course, sentiment analysis tools that help quickly identify and categorize feedback. These tools scan reviews and comments to spot negative trends, helping you address patient concerns before they spread, improving your response time and overall patient retention.
Of course, implementing a service recovery plan isn't without challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is resource limitations. Many healthcare organizations struggle with budget constraints and limited staff.
That's where automation can really help. Tools like Repugen streamline feedback management, allowing providers to address complaints promptly without burdening their staff. Automation helps speed up response times and ensures no patient concern goes unaddressed.
Another challenge is cultural resistance. Some healthcare teams don't prioritize service recovery, but leadership plays a huge role in overcoming this. By advocating for service recovery, leaders can instill a culture of empathy and problem solving throughout the organization.
Service recovery is an essential part of building trust with your patients. By addressing complaints proactively and effectively, you can turn negative experiences into growth opportunities. It helps build long-term relationships, retain patients, and boost your revenue.
Exactly. A well-executed service recovery strategy not only protects your reputation, but enhances your patient retention, driving long-term success. The key is to listen actively, respond quickly, empower your staff, and utilize the right tools and technology to streamline the process.
That's right. Don't wait for problems to grow. Be proactive. Equip your team with the training and resources they need to resolve issues promptly. When you take care of your patients, their loyalty will take care of your practice.
Thanks for tuning in to today's episode of the Repugen podcast. If you're ready to improve your patient service recovery process, head over to Repugen.com or email us at info@Repugen.com to learn more.
Take care, and remember, service recovery isn't just about fixing complaints. It's about building trust that lasts. See you next time.
Thanks for listening to the Repugen Podcast, your path to better healthcare.